Standard form. The numerical version of a number where each number has a place value. Period. A group of 3 digits separated by commas in large numbers. Comma. Used to separate periods in large numbers. Word form. Writing numbers using words, also known as number name. Hyphen. Used when writing number words 21 minus 99. Expanded form. Writing a number to show the value of each digit. Roman numeral. A number system used in ancient Rome, using combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy math lessons from M. Athelino 123.